What is up, you guys? It's your girl Kennedy, and I'm back with another video. Oh, y'all, I keep thinking it's Vlogmas. I almost said it's Vlogmas day, but there is no more days. Like, we're done with Vlogmas. So, I know my hair ain't done right now. It's looking a mess, but I am going to show you guys how to get these quick and cute little easy curls without water, without heat, and you can do it overnight. It is something quick and simple for when you have to go to work in the morning, or you have to go to school or something like that. You have to be somewhere and you don't feel like getting up hours early to curl your hair. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to get some easy curls with some easy like beach waves. They're really sexy, really cute and simple and easy. Mine have like they've like failed during the day, so you know, plus this is straight hair, so it's starting to straighten itself out. But I'm just gonna show you guys how to, you know, avoid that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's get into the freaking video.
Alright, y'all, so first I take my Shea Moisture Hydrating Finishing Serum and I spray like a dime size in my hand, and I'm just going to run that throughout my hair because this hair was processed. You know, it does get a little frizzy, so I like to take a little oil and go ahead and just rub that through to make the frizz, you know, subtle, not as much. I went off camera and tied my edges down and redid them, but I'm just going to brush through my hair. Then I'm going to take a section and go ahead and tie everything else back off to the back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Flexi rod. I use the orange. You can use anything bigger, you can use things smaller, depending on how tight you want the curl. But I comb through my section and I take my orange Flexi rod. I did the shortest orange Flexi rods in the front and the biggest ones in the back. And what I did was I just take them and wrap them around the rod. Now sometimes it will fall apart on you. You might have to start over. Like I had to start over right here because if I'm not mistaken, it fell off. So, oh, maybe it wasn't this one, but it's one of them. It had like fell off. See, yeah, like you might have to restart over, but just wrap it basically just around the Flexi rod. You can wrap it in any way that you want it to go. I wanted my hair to go away from my face, not towards my face, so I wrapped the curl away from my face. Now y'all, before we finish this video, I recorded this video 2 times. I recorded it on Christmas Eve going into Christmas Day. Then I recorded it Christmas night going into the 26th. So this video is a mix of both footage because the one that I did the very first time I shot this video, which was on Christmas Eve, the night of Christmas Eve, it didn't, like, the video quality was just trash. I couldn't get my ring light to really focus. It just looked a mess. So I was like, well, I'm gonna re-record it because this is how I'm gonna do my hair for me to go to work. So what I did was this is the, what is this? This is the night of Christmas. So this is Christmas night, which was the day before I had to go to work. So this is that footage because it looked a whole lot better. Well, on the 26th, I'm getting ready for work. You know, I put the camera on the ring light and I'm sitting here thinking I'm recording. Whole time I was never recording. Took my whole head, took all the rolls out of my head and everything else. I was so disappointed, y'all, because I had already just took everything down. It was looking cute. I had styled it and everything. And lo and behold, I was doing my edges and I realized that the camera wasn't on. Like, it wasn't recording at all. And I was like, bruh, because sometimes, you know, your camera will just stop working. Yeah, whole time the camera was never on. So the footage that y'all see of me taking my hair down is actually from the one that I did from me taking it down on Christmas morning. Then the ending footage is gonna be me halfway doing it on the 26th, because the 26th I was able to catch like the ending footage once I realized that the camera was not rolling. But yeah, so that's just a little backstory to this video. So this video is just kind of all over the place, but you get the gist of the whole video. So yeah, I basically just do the same thing. I use 8 rollers in all, and I basically just do the same thing to both sides. So as you see, this is about to be my last roller on this side. Then I'm gonna flip to the other side and still roll it away from my face, but I'll just let you guys watch that. Okay, y'all, so I decided to slow down on this section, that way that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, because I just felt like the first set of footage was too fast. So for this side, I'm gonna slow it down, that way that you guys can actually see how to roll it going to the back. Alright, y'all, so this is how your head should be looking once you get done with the rollers. So I'm just going to take my bonnet and pop it on top, and then I just go to sleep. So yeah, now y'all, this footage right here is from Christmas morning. So this part of the footage is basically just showing you how I take it down and kind of like separate it and stuff like that. So sorry that I lost the footage because it wasn't recording, but yeah, this is the footage from Christmas morning right here. I think I want to start from the back. They can sometimes. So just be careful and kind of remember that. I think this piece fell out though. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, they can just kind of like fall out. And so I'm just gonna kind of start unwinding them. And you see they just kind of got like that nice wave. That's what you really want. See, it's kind of, it gives like a one curl effect. So let me show y'all like a little better. So y'all see how it's hooked? So I unhook it and I just roll it in the direction that I basically curled it. So y'all, I sleep rough. That might be why they kind of like look like that. Your girl be sleeping rough. I be sleeping good though. So, period. So I hope y'all kind of get the gist of how I'm unrolling them. I'm about to do the other side. So after that, you can just kind of take each set and just separate them. Just take like each little roller and kind of like separate it. You can brush it if you just really feel like it. I don't feel like doing that, but I'm really just separating it and brush it to the front because we want to kind of give that real. So this was my face when I realized my camera was not rolling the entire time. So yeah, I just laid down my edges some, and this is how my hair ended up looking. And because I was going to work, I wanted my curls to stay, so I sprayed some Got To Be. I didn't spray a lot, I just sprayed enough to hold the curl, and the curls actually lasted the whole time I was at work, so that was good. So yeah, this is how the curls actually came out on the day that I was supposed to be recording, and I realized it wasn't recording. So these are those curls. They are very cute, very subtle, and I love them so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, comment down below, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye guys.